Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ExpressVPN on macOS for secure streaming privacy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser on your Mac. Type in the address bar expressvpn.com and press enter. Once the homepage loads, locate the Get ExpressVPN button and click it. Choose your preferred subscription plan and proceed to create your account. After completing the registration, you will be directed to the download page. Click on the download button for macOS to start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file named express.dmg to open it. A new window will appear showing the ExpressVPN icon. Drag the ExpressVPN icon into the Applications folder icon within the same window. Now, open the Applications folder and find the ExpressVPN app. Double-click the ExpressVPN app to launch it for the first time. You may see a security warning. If so, click Open to proceed. Sign in using the credentials you created during the registration. Once signed in, you may be prompted to allow ExpressVPN to configure your device. Enter your Mac's administrator password if requested to grant the necessary permissions. After configuration is complete, you will see the main ExpressVPN interface. To connect, simply click the large power button in the center of the screen. Choose a server location to optimize your streaming experience. Once connected, you are now ready to stream securely. Enjoy your enhanced privacy while accessing your favorite content online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.